Hello everyone, once again this is Crypto Project Review, and today we'll be reviewing Big BTC. Is this project investable or is this project destined to fail just like any other project? I've already looked into this project. I'm going to avoid it. I do not see any fundamental reason why this token should succeed. Continue watching the video and find out yourselves. Disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research. Let's get started. Big BTC, the king. now they're the king, okay. The king of meme coin, offering the biggest reflection reward in BTC after every hour. These developers, these are deluded every hour. This is a Ponzi scheme. You need new buyers, newcomers every hour. Without new buyers, newcomers, no reward. There is no real world use case. They're promising big profit here. This is a Ponzi scheme. No products, nothing at all. Just a token. The king. They declare themselves as king. So I'm going to avoid this project. Okay? They've declared this king. My gosh. Big BTC transactions get distributed among holders and contribute toward automatically generating liquidity locked inside the liquidity pool. Liquidity pool. So LP pool. Okay. So how Big BTC works? 12% reward. Earn while you sleep. Now see, this one alone is a red flag. It doesn't work like that in the real world. Okay. Most of the Ponzi scheme promises this thing. Earn while you sleep. No, you don't encourage people like that. There's no such thing as earn while you sleep. Okay, unless you're a big investor, you invest in the real. This is a Ponzi scheme. Eat or walk or play. 12% every buy and sell token, and so distribute to all holders. Hold big BTC tokens and earn BTC. This is a wrap BTC. This is not a BTC, wrap BTC. You can even buy $10 worth of big BTC to receive reward. Okay, so this is a proper Ponzi scheme. They promise you big profit here, but no product, nothing, no risk. That's Ponzi scheme does. Okay, auto pay. You don't need to claim your earned BTC. It's automatically sent to your wallet. Its volume is lower. If volume is lower, this may take longer, but you always receive your BTC. If no new buyers, no comers, nothing. And if all the holders sells, you can still receive, but no value anymore because all is dumped. Okay? Scam-minded developers open pull out the liquidity which crushes value and prevents others from trading. So therefore, liquidity will be locked, regardless if it's locked or not. Once the holders sees no rewards anymore, they will sell it. This will ranked. Guaranteed 100%. We've seen this lots of times. This is not the first time it's got reward system. This will ranked. We've seen this hundreds and hundreds of times. This project has no future. Not sustainable. DYOR before investing in our project. Yeah, I just did, and I'm not going to invest or any other projects to get your investment secured. No real world use case. What else? They just give you promises. Meme based trust. Big BTC is the king of meme coin. My gosh. And they only have 69 BNB in their liquidity. 69 BNB, and they are the king of the meme coin. Only 69 BNB in the liquidity, and they are the king of the meme coin. A month ago, we've reviewed Pop Doge, 15,000 BNB. They had it and then died, rugged and pulled. And they've got only 69 BNB, and they're the king of meme coin. They're deluded. The developers are deluded. These developers are deluded. So Techonomics, not interested in that. Buy and sell allocation. So basically, buy and sell allocation. Basically, if you buy 12%, if you sell 18%, so you need to see at least 50 or 40% pump before you can sell. Otherwise, you will lose. So it's like a hostage. Once you buy, you are hostage now. You don't sell because you sell, you will be taxed. When you buy, you tax 12%. When you sell, you tax 18%. That's more or less 30%. See? So that's hostage. I'm going to avoid this project. See? How to buy, okay? So roadmap. So every project, every investment, roadmap is very important. You can see the future of the project through roadmap. We'll see what they have here, okay? So quarter 3, contract creation, website creation, social media setup, contract audit, marketing through famous crypto influencer. Yeah, because you need to hype. Because there is no real world use case. Hype and then die. Okay? So launching on listing, launch on pre-sale, launch on PancakeSwap, continuous marketing on different crypto platform, listing on CoinGecko and CMC. Big achievement, pre-release, an effort to continue to build awareness and engagement with potential partners. We will release more details about the big BTC projects and accomplishment and pre-releases worldwide. Certec audit, AMA CX listing. CX listing will cost around 100,000 to a million, and they only have 69 BNB. My gosh, delusion. This is delusional. Big developments: influencer marketing push, community building, Facebook, Twitter, and Telegram, charity donation, further ecosystem development, new roadmap. That's it. Big promise. I'm going to avoid this project. I don't recommend this project. This project is going to hype and then die. Look at that there. And the BSC check says warning, and there's a liquidity issue. There looks like there's a wallet that holds 10% of the total supply, not the PancakeSwap supply. That's the total supply. That's the total supply. See? Look at this. I'm going to show you the PancakeSwap liquidity, okay? So this one, we'll see. So we'll see how much PancakeSwap. Oh, that's not the one, so that's the wallet. So there you go. So we'll check their holders. So the PancakeSwap is 23 billion. And this wallet holds 8% of the total supply. That means this is more or less 30 to 40% of this liquidity. Actually, 40%. So they can liquidate 40% of the liquidity straight away, this wallet. And there's another wallet that holds 5%. Looks like they've distributed the wallet. Look at this. 5. That's basically they've hold more than what's available in the liquidity. This will dump, this will be rugged. Look at that. See? 5%, 5, 10, 15, 20%. My gosh. 28 already. They hold more than what is available in the liquidity. I'm going to avoid this project. You're going to cry if you will invest into this project. If you've already invested into this project, get out. Get out. Or if you want to invest into this project, look at this. They've already hyped it. It's too late. This will dump straight away. Avoid this project at all costs. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Bye bye.